What's up, folks? Welcome back to our channel. Just like true love, a useful smartwatch is hard to find, mainly because there is an exceptional number of models available, and most of them are a bit rubbish. Particularly when you could spend a little bit more on a conventional watch, with fewer brains, but a whole lot more class. Choose carefully, and you'll have yourself a wrist-bound companion with the power to make you fitter, better organized, and more prolific without feeling the necessity to reach for your phone every 30 seconds or so. So here, we will be showing some of the best smartwatches on the market. Do check out the description below for more information and its latest pricing. Make every action you take towards fitness count. For anyone who's in search of losing weight and staying fit, the Fitbit Versa Lite is the perfect companion. With characteristics such as heart rate tracking, sleep tracking, activity tracking, and female health tracking, this smartwatch is all you require to get started on your fitness journey. With all the core fitness and smart features, vibrant colors, and an easy one-button design, this watch will inspire you to live boldly and make your goals a reality. Keeping tabs on your fitness and health situations and goals, bringing you up to date with notifications and notes, and doing it all while you're up and asleep. The Versa Lite edition can track basic activity stats like steps, activity minutes, and calories burned. Whether active or not, your health is monitored through continuous pure pulse heart rate monitoring and sleep tracking. Intensify your sporting performance with the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 Bluetooth smartwatch. It is designed to support you to learn more so you can deliver more. It goes beyond tracking steps to give advanced health monitoring and actionable insights on running style, overall physical strength, and heart health. Connect seamlessly through Bluetooth to your preferred apps so you can keep going, and a sleek, all-new design implies you can wear the Galaxy Watch Active 2 everywhere, from the gym to the pool to your bed. This smartwatch carries 7 workout types, including running and swimming. If you favor running, the Running Coach function can present you with advice in real time. General health is monitored several ways, from a sophisticated wrist-based heart monitor with 8 full photodiodes to relax and stress tracking. This Samsung smartwatch is not only a looker, but it also comes with innovative peculiarities. This device can track your physical activity. Just slip it on and start your daily workout. This way, you can keep a record of your activity for the day. With an IP68 and 5 ATM water and dust resistance rating, you can keep this smartwatch on wherever you go. Easily track your outdoor activities with the Versa 3 GPS smartwatch of Fitbit. Created for multi-day tracking, the Versa 3 features over 6 days of battery life and employs built-in GPS tracking, so you aren't required to bring your smartphone along on a jog, hike, or while biking. The GPS function tracks both your pack and the distance covered. The Versa 3 handles a variety of exercises and basic 24/7 motion tracking of steps, distance, and calories burned. You can pick from over 20 exercises to track, or use Smart Track, where the Versa 3 will automatically identify the exercise and track it for you. You can also get call, text, and app notifications. Use Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa built in and control Spotify, Deezer, and Pandora when your phone is nearby. With combined GPS and some design tweaks, the Fitbit Versa 3 is an exemplary wearable. Like its predecessor though, it's more a fitness tracker than a smartwatch, with limited productivity apps on offer. What you do get is a fantastic battery life, a better display than before, and plenty of fitness statistics, making this a very compelling and budget Apple Watch alternative. Nevertheless, given this is the 3rd repetition of the popular Versa line, it's a little frustrating that Fitbit is still not quite hitting the point in some areas. The Apple Watch SE is the budget-friendly option to the Apple Watch Series 6, a great selection if you're in search to focus on your fitness. You can wear one for pretty much every exercise you can think of, and it will track your routes, heart rate, and how you are improving over time. Acknowledging the price difference, there are surprisingly few Series 6 characteristics missing, namely the absence of an always-on display and blood oxygen tracking. So if you're not able to spend $400 on a Series 6, this is a pretty solid second option. It has the same larger display size Retina display as Series 6, so you can see more at a glance. When it comes to health, the SE's visual heart rate monitor can give you indicators of a possible medical condition, with notifications for high or low heart rates, as well as different rhythms. Even healthy habits are supported, such as hand washing detection, which displays a 20-second animated countdown as you wash. The best of Samsung's smartwatch presenting so far, the Galaxy Watch 3 is an excellent choice for Android users. The design is an initial selling point, tapping into a far more conventional look than Apple, with a round stainless steel case and a leather strap. Staying organized and up-to-date is simple, as you can control your emails, keep tracking of your WhatsApp group chats, and attend calls right from your wrist. Also, you can unlock your inner James Bond by making payments and managing your music without having to open your smartphone. This smartwatch highlights a rotating bezel that makes it easy and natural to navigate through available apps and control your music on the full-color 1.4-inch display. Some apps allow you to keep track of your health as you work out and throughout the day. You can utilize them to monitor your heart rate, ECG, blood pressure, and VO2 max, i.e. blood oxygen with the SpO2 sensor. This watch gives you one of the best smartwatch experiences on the market, with a dazzling design and top-end spec that enables it to run as easily as any other wearable on the market. If the high price doesn't put you off, this may be ideal for you. The Apple Watch Series 6 may not be a great leap ahead of last year's model, but it's still the best smartwatch around, by far. This year's new features amount to a more intelligent always-on display and blood oxygen monitoring, which help round out its already effective health and fitness abilities and make for a more comfortable device to wear day in and day out. Indeed, the key to the Apple Watch's success is its software, which supports all custom of exercise habits, artistic watch faces, and a wealth of compatible iPhone apps. With an array of new cooperative straps, including the natty new braided loop, stamping your personality on this smartwatch is a breeze. It operates seamlessly with Apple's phones, and it's well worth considering if you intend to stick with the iPhone series for at least a few years. It isn't a huge upgrade over the Apple Watch 5 though. There are some exciting new features, but largely, it's a similar device with the exact same screen and design. With the always-on Retina display, the Apple Watch guarantees that you get to read your fitness metrics with a sight. The Apple Watch is your fitness buddy, as it will motivate you to lead a better, fitter, and more productive lifestyle. It also assures that you lead a connected life. And that was the video, guys. Until next time, bye.